Well, I'm going to show you what I do for fun when there's nothing else to do. I shoot my bow. It's a nice little bow, pretty fast. Keeps me occupied. My target's down there. You can see it right down there. I'll show you some field points. That's for big game. You can see it. What happens is when it hits the game, it pulls this rubber back right here, and these blades open up. It'd be a lot faster than that, but I won't shoot them into my target. It'll tear the target up pretty bad. And if I want some exercise, I'll get over here and hit my speed bag. That's good for you. Coordination. Here's the heavy bag. I don't feel like messing with him though. And this is what I do when I have a lot of fun. I'll take this thing out. It's a lot of fun. Anyway, stay tuned. I'll be doing some exciting things this week. I'll take y'all to the rifle range. And probably going to be doing some big time rappelling. A lot of fun. Anyway, checking out. Talk to you next week.